Hi, this is Rod. In my opinion, this is the best picking exercise I've ever learned. And after learning it, I'm sure you will agree with me. It's a great exercise for any level of guitar student. But before that, if you're not a subscriber yet, you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive all the new videos notifications. One of my old teachers taught me this exercise a long time ago. And he was also Megadeth's Kiko Loureiro guitar teacher. His name is Mozart Mello. If you don't know him, you should check him out. It's a long chromatic exercise, great for picking, technique, and endurance. There we go. I'm gonna play the whole thing to demonstrate it for you. Let's break it down. You can see that I play 1, 2, 3, 4, forward and backward all the time. And when I move to this string below, it changes. The first part, I play 1, 2, 3, 4. And when I move to the string below, I play each finger individually with 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the top, on the string above, in between, like this. When I move down a string, you guys can see that I have like a sequence with 2 fingers. So 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 4, 2 and 3, 2 and 4, and 3 and 4. And then I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1 all the time on the string above. So like that. Okay, then I move down our string, and now we have a sequence with 3 fingers. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4. There we go. Then I move to the next string, and now I play all the fingers. So like that, forward and backwards. And now I move down to the next string. And now it begins with the first finger, and then 1 and 2, and then 1, 2, 3, all the fingers. But at the end, I repeat the 4th one and go up, all the way up, 4, 3, 2, 1. So like that. And then I repeat that 4th. The whole thing one more time. Don't forget to practice it with the metronome, and you should play it throughout all the fretwork. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, I'm glad to help you. Please leave it in the comments below. If you want to know more about me, you can check my website www.rodrodriguez.net. And if you want to take lessons with me, you can contact me through my website. Thank you very much. See you next time. Be good.